75% of movie audio runs through your center channel. The Polk ES35 puts 7 dedicated drivers, dual power ports, and high-res certification into a 4-inch slim profile that fits under any TV. 5 decades of Polk engineering. Is this the center channel sweet spot? What can handle? Dialogue clarity earns 9.2. 7 dedicated drivers with cascading crossovers and mica-reinforced polypropylene cones deliver the sharpest, most precisely separated vocals of any center channel at this price tier, confirmed across home theater hi-fi, tech signal, and Best by reviewer testing. High-res and format compatibility scores 8.8. Terylene tweeter certified to 40 kilohertz, Dolby Atmos and DTS X compatible, and timbre-match to the full Signature Elite lineup. Bass self-sufficiency scores 5.1. 66 Hz low-end roll-off means a subwoofer is mandatory, not optional. High-volume headroom scores 6.4 as 89 decibel sensitivity demands a well-powered receiver to avoid thinning at higher volumes. Daily performance. Soundstage and imaging earns 8.9. The 24-inch wide array with phase-optimized crossovers delivers off-axis consistency praised by home theater hi-fi as room-filling with no sweet spot dependency. Build quality scores 9.1. Critically damped Medite MDF with laser-optimized bracing, anti-diffraction magnetic grille, and gold-plated 5-way binding posts with a 5-year warranty set a benchmark for construction integrity at this price. PowerPort bass extension scores 7.8. Dual ports meaningfully extend low-frequency output and reduce port noise compared to single-port rivals, though they do not replace a subwoofer. Grille design scores 6.3 as the magnetic attachment received consistent criticism for being finicky to align and reseat. User experience. System integration value earns 9.0. Timbre matching with ES20 bookshelves, ES50, and ES60 towers. And any Polk subwoofer creates a seamlessly voiced full surround system with no tonal mismatch between channels. Placement flexibility scores 8.6. 4-inch height fits under virtually any TV, wall mount hardware included, and usable as left, right, or surround channel in alternate configurations. Subwoofer dependency scores 5.1. Buyers expecting full bass without a subwoofer will be disappointed at 66 Hz. Long-term brand reliability scores 9.0. 50 years of Polk engineering, 5-year limited warranty, and consistent award recognition across Crutchfield and Best by community reviews. Who it's for? Polk Signature Elite system builders earn 9.4. No other center channel integrates more seamlessly with ES series towers and surrounds for a timbre-matched full home theater. Home theater upgraders replacing budget centers score 9.1 as the jump in dialogue clarity from a typical entry center is immediately audible and consistently described as transformative. Buyers without a subwoofer score 4.8. The ES35 genuinely needs one to perform as intended. Casual TV listeners score 6.2. The passive design requires an AV receiver, and the price point assumes a committed home theater setup. Is it worth it? Dialogue clarity value earns 9.2. No passive center at this price tier delivers cleaner, more precise vocal reproduction according to independent reviewer consensus. Build and warranty value scores 9.1, with Medite MDF construction and 5-year coverage being exceptional at the price. Bass extension value scores 5.1. Mandatory subwoofer pairing adds cost that budget buyers must factor in. Overall system value scores 8.8 for buyers building a full Polk Signature Elite surround setup. The CineTech overall score for the Polk Audio Signature Elite ES35 is 8.4 out of 10. 4.2 stars. The best dialogue center channel at this price. Just budget for a subwoofer alongside it.